Say the end of the world's coming. Death and destruction, the only discussion. My teaming is bleeding and being overrun with addiction to prediction, like as if they really know 2012 will come and go, just like 1984. Supernovas with black holes, hurricanes and tornadoes. The world's gonna end, let's enjoy it before we go. So put on your good clothes, go get fitted at the store. Gonna hit the dance floor like the night before it's over and roll. I'm not worried if you get the cold shoulder. Show up and keep it bubbling just like a soda. Know when you starting trouble, then it's time to go. Bro, don't matter if I know you like breaking sorry for ya. Cold, but it's time to go to heat the microphone. Ladies in the place, they ain't trying to leave alone, cause there's so much to know. Many words are unspoken. You're slurring your speech because the bitch fuck is potent and potent. To make this point before I let it go. It's not about where you stop, it's about how you roll. It's not about the end, it's why we living in the moment. Timidness has limits when we finish, I don't know, but Nostradamus said the world gon' end. Well, we don't give a what, cause the party just beginning. Scientists said we all gon' die. Well, we don't give a what if we keep the party live, that's right. Nostradamus said the world gon' end. Well, we don't give a what, cause the party just beginning. Scientists said we all gon' die. Well, we don't give a what if we keep the party live, that's right. Tick tock, 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 on the clock, on the time, never stop.
Penny Penny is standing under a tree, chopping it with the rabbits, passing around the beat. Something fell on her head, she thought what the hell could that be? She thought maybe the sky's falling, maybe it's just me. First she told her mama said tell the king. Told the people went crazy. That was just the beginning, we saw it on TV. Right in front of her eyes, the journey's amazing. She walked into the forest, she didn't know where to go. Only knew what she knew and you never know what to know. You never know who to trust and you never know who to love. And when they come from beneath them, when they come from above, she met Lucy, Turkey, lurking. So after what happened to them is the lesson. In the last chapter, they ran into Fox and lost it. They were tired, it was late. They went to sleep on this bed and then they woke up on this plate. Hey,
Nostradamus said the world gon' end. Well, we don't give a fuck because the party just beginning. Scientists said we all gon' die. Well, we don't give a fuck as we keep the party live, that's right. Nostradamus said the world gon' end. Well, we don't give a fuck because the party just beginning. Scientists said we all gon' die. Well, we don't give a fuck as we keep the party live, that's right. Tick tock, 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 on the clock, got the time, never stop. Nostradamus said the world gon' end. Well, we don't give a fuck because the party just beginning. Scientists said we all gon' die. Well, we don't give a fuck if we keep the party live, that's right. Nostradamus said the world gon' end. Well, we don't give a fuck